I wanted to make soup the other day, and it called for crushed red pepper. And look at my jar, it's empty. So I love Penzi spices, but I can't buy from them bulk. So I decided I was gonna go buy bulk. And then I was thinking all my bags were too big and I didn't know what to use, and I didn't want to go to them and buy the red pepper flakes and put them in a plastic bag. So I thought, what do I have that's little and will hold the red pepper flakes and doesn't weigh a whole lot? I found some jewelry bags. And when the gentleman was packing my groceries in my reusable bags, he was like, oh, these are so cute. So anyway, I already had it. It worked, and I highly recommend it. It's not heavy, and you can bring your spices home in style, and Whiskey thinks it's a great idea.
Y'all, it wasn't an orange on the floor. It was Whiskey's ball. Things are crazy around here, but not too crazy.
They are kind of crazy.
They are pretty crazy.
Oh, okay, Whiskey, drop. Whiskey, drop.
Mom, you have to be assertive.
Well, I don't want to stick my hand down his throat.
Well, you don't have to. Just say drop with more assertion.
Okay, Whiskey, come here. Whiskey, drop. Drop. Oh, it worked. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Oh.
Everything's fine.
Oh gosh.